Excellent video with many great tips about dogs. When you invite a dog into your home, you are getting more than a pet. This animal will quickly become your best friend and a member of your family. Knowing the best methods of caring for him will help both of you learn to live together in peace. Keep watching to learn some tips about caring for your new friend. Consider teaching your dog hand signals along with verbal commands. Consistency and practice are key to teaching a dog these nonverbal commands. Many owners get frustrated and resort back to verbal commands, but a well-trained dog should understand both. Try using only verbal commands when the dog is out of sight range, but when close up, only use the hand signals. Never bring your dog with you while flying during the hot summer months, unless the airline provides a climate-controlled cabin for him. Most of the major carriers use the same area for pets as they do for cargo, meaning your dog will have to endure some pretty high temperatures as you travel to your destination, jeopardizing his safety. If your dog is very rowdy or easily excitable, experts recommend that you don't bring them along on vacation. Many times the thrill and confusion of a new area filled with strangers is too much for the hyper dog and unpleasant incidents may occur. Find a great kennel to care for your pooch instead. If there are prescription medications in your home, be sure to keep it out of your dog's reach. Swallowing just a few pills could lead to catastrophic health issues for your dog, including a seizure or heart attack. If your dog does ingest some of your medication, get in touch with your veterinarian immediately. You should now have a better understanding of what is necessary for the proper care of your furry friend. Keep these tips in mind as you live your day-to-day life. Soon, you will not have problems of any kind and will have a healthy companion to enjoy and love. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.